We always had a target that if we have to change the society, we do projects that are short term. We have short-term Dawah courses in our foundation, Islam Research Foundation, which is a crash course for 40 days, where we train students from different parts of the world. We have international Dawah training program for 40 days, where we select the best people, one from UK, one from USA, from Singapore, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, etc. And we give them a comprehensive training course. But this schooling of 13 years is a full-fledged Dawah training program, according to me. And in our school, mashallah, we see to it that when they are trained, not only do they learn about Quran and Islam, they have been told about Christianity, about Judaism, about Hinduism, about Buddhism. Inshallah, when a child passes school, he will be far superior than an average Christian, what he has knowledge about Christianity, what the average Hindu has knowledge about Hinduism, what the average Jew has knowledge about Judaism. The main aim of the school is to make dais and see to it that they follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So in our school, mashallah, though main two languages are English and Arabic, we also start Urdu from the 4th standard. 3rd standard is Hindi, 4th is Urdu, and 5th is the local language of the state, that is Marathi. These children, mashallah, they're trained in a way that they know the values of life. And we find that many a time, mashallah, these children, they put us to shame. They put us to shame. And many times when we go out, and the children, mashallah, they're masoom. And that reminds me that once I had gone to meet a very big businessman, a top businessman in Bombay, very big businessman. And when I met him, I had my son with me. That time he was in the 2nd standard. And the businessman was smoking. So my son said, "Uncle, smoking is haram." Finish. I would think 10 times. Dua madai, to say directly, we have to see for the situation, and we see whether what is the right time, they should not feel hurt, etc. We'll think 10 times how to say, when to say, what to say. And the young child said, and the person put off his cigarette immediately. Easy. So mashallah, we should see to it that we should have a vision of how do we want our children and what they should become. We have a concept that on average, when we have 4 divisions, if 100 students pass out in a year from one school, 50% may go in the mainstream, may become doctors, engineers, lawyers. But when they become doctors, they'll be true Muslim doctors, having knowledge of Islam, true Muslim engineers, true Muslim businessmen. 50% may go in the Islamic field, may become Dai, Muhaddis, Mufassir, may take up teaching, Islamic teaching, alhamdulillah. So in this way, can we change the next generation? We can't keep on cribbing about what's happening. We should make a beginning.